All right, stock ticker symbol ECEZ, currently traded at 003. We looked at this one on Friday, put this one on a technical analysis alert. That was going to be right around here, this area, 003. Same exact area where it's at. It did rally up off of that a little bit. And then today it gapped up. You guys have a gap now at 0027 to 0028. Not a huge gap. It's just having a hard time right now getting through that 30-day simple moving average. I'm going to hold on this one now. You guys went up a little bit. I'm nothing to brag about. All right, nothing to brag about. I'm going up because you guys only got up to about 0034. I just don't like the gap. This gap's kind of ruining the run. There's a good possibility it might trend down to the 20-day simple moving average, guys. So all you guys that were interested in this one, I know that there was a few that got in there a little bit early to 0027. You know, might have made 15, 20%, whatever the case might be. But that gap down here started to make me a little nervous now that it's got that spinning top right now. There's a good possibility that could trend down to that 20-day simple moving average. So I just want to be, straight up with you guys and make sure you guys are aware of that 0020 area. The volume's weakened up a little bit, but I'm getting a little nervous. It's having a hard time with that 30-day.
All right, so I'm not seeing any recent updates on the company since the last time we went over it, which was what, on Friday? All right, so I know on Friday I went over this press release, and it was regarding Ecosciences discusses its growth opportunity in the 26 million U.S. household septic tank market. So, I mean, that right there, I can understand. They have this product. I guess what their product does is they put it into the septic tank, and it's kind of, like beats up, like it's like a bacteria that will eat away, like, different stuff. I don't know the science or the technology behind it, but I understand that I do have a septic, and I would obviously be buying one to put one in mine. Not saying in regards to this company, but I know my father-in-law had an issue with his, and he had to put some kind of an acid in his. That was a few years back. So that's pretty much that, man. It's obviously the septic industry isn't the most appealing when it comes to like an investment. People aren't jumping over to it like, oh yeah, septic. But I mean, if they have the right product, and it is a 26 million U.S. household, so obviously do your due diligence, see if the potential is there, if they're gonna make it happen, because anything's possible. And if that is the case, I mean, you obviously want to do your due diligence. So go right over that ECEZ board. From there, you'll be able to see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it on that ECEZ message board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
Okay, 003 again, guys. This is, I said it again in the beginning regarding the technical analysis alert. You guys gapped up today. I don't like those gaps on the follow-ups. It's just having a hard time right now with that 30-day simple moving average. You guys, it looks like it's gotten through there right now as we're talking, but buying it slow might pull back to 20-day simple moving average to fill gaps. 0020. I'm sorry, 002. Resistance at 003, 0049. Support is 00211. I'm going to put in here one more thing following up on this. Depends on the 30-day simple moving average break. Because you guys are right there right now. We'll continue to watch it. I'm not as, how can you say it, as, convinced as I was with Friday. I just don't like that gap, like I said. So we'll keep an eye on it. ECEZ, if you follow the stock, definitely encourage you to hit that like and subscribe button. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.